Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to do your very own DIY liquid Starbucks squishy. I'm doing strawberries and cream, mocha cookie crumble and caramel frappuccino. Don't they look amazing? So for this you're going to need some green straws, some plastic coffee cups, some Starbucks logo printouts, 2 cups of clear glue, 1 cup of white glue, a mixing bowl, 3 tablespoons of borax, a mixing jug, 3 cups of water, a paintbrush, scissors, pale pink paint, brown paint, yellow paint, gold paint, some white model magic, and some brown Play-Doh. The first thing we're going to do is to cut out our Starbucks logos. Perfect, that looks great. Let's take some glue and stick it to our cup. I'm going to start with a strawberries and cream frappuccino. So let's make the actual strawberries and cream mixture. For this, I'm going to add 1 cup of clear glue and some pink paint. I'm also adding a dash of water. Give it a good mix so that all 3 ingredients are completely combined. Now I'm adding 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of borax to a jug. Mix that together. Now for the magic. Let's add our pink mixture to our borax mixture and voila, instant slime. I love that reaction. Now let's add our pink slime to the cup we've just made. This will make a strawberry frappuccino. We need to make some cream to go on top of our frappuccino, so now use the white model magic and roll it into a long sausage shape. We're going to coil this around the coffee cup lid, pressing it down as we go. Leave a hole at the top for the straw. Perfect. Now all we need to do is to put our cream top on top of our frappuccino. Put in the straw and let it all harden overnight. Perfect! The model magic has gone hard and it looks amazing. It's a perfect container for pink slime because it looks like a strawberries and cream frappuccino from Starbucks. So now let's make the mocha cookie crumble. We're going to use exactly the same method to make the slime. So let's add some clear glue, and this time we're going to add some brown paint along with a dash of water. Stir it all together. Now let's make the borax mixture. That's 1 tablespoon of borax and 1 cup of water. Add the brown mixture to the borax solution and instant slime. It's fantastic. We also need a cup, so grab one and glue your Starbucks logo on and pop the brown slime in. Perfect. So I want some chocolate cream on top of this. Take your white model magic and simply dye it with the brown paint. It's that versatile. Great! This looks amazing. I've rolled this into a long sausage shape and I'm rolling it around the coffee cup lid. Push the straw through. Push the straw through. Perfect. This is going to make such a great top. I'm using some brown Play-Doh to make the cookie crumbles. I'm simply pressing these on top of the model magic. This will give it some added texture and make it look even more real-like. Yum! Remember, you can't eat it. And there you have it, Mocha Cookie Crumble. Doesn't that look great? Amazing! Finally, let's make a caramel Frappuccino. For this, I'm going to use 1 cup of white glue. I'm adding some yellow and brown paint, along with some gold paint. This gives the perfect caramel Frappuccino colour. Add a little bit of water and set it aside. We're now going to make our borax mixture and add the Frappuccino mixture to it. Perfect! Instant slime once again. Now let's pop it in one of our Starbucks mugs. I'm going to use the leftover bit of clear glue and some gold paint to make caramel sauce. I'm pouring some of the gold paint into the clear glue. Give it a good shake. It's already in a nozzle, so this is perfect to apply to our finished product. I've used White Model Magic to make a white top for this one, and I'm simply going to dribble the caramel sauce over it. Perfect! It looks delicious! And there you have it, a caramel Frappuccino. These are so much fun. They look incredible and they're also great fun to play with. Even better. Nice work, everyone. So now, let's start to play with the slime. Woo! This looks amazing! Super fun! I love playing with slime! Doesn't this look cool? Hey, how about we mix them all together? This is going to make the ultimate Starbucks drink. Doesn't that look delicious? I wish I could get this drink in real life. Fun! And there you have it, everyone, DIY liquid Starbucks squishy in every flavour. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We'll see you again next time. Bye!